Let's learn lingo.
Revenue. Revenue. The company's annual revenue increased by 15% last year.
Profit. Profit. The firm reported a significant profit in the last quarter.
Market. Market. The company is planning to expand its presence in the Asian market.
Supply. Supply. The supply of raw materials has been disrupted due to the pandemic.
Demand. Demand. There is a high demand for electric vehicles in the current market.
Investment. Investment. Foreign investment plays a crucial role in the country's economic growth.
Economy. Economy. The global economy is facing numerous challenges due to recent events.
Trade. Trade. International trade has expanded significantly over the past decade.
Consumer. Consumer. Understanding consumer behavior is vital for effective marketing.
Globalization. Globalization. Globalization has increased the interdependence of world economies.
Inflation. Inflation. High inflation can reduce the purchasing power of consumers.
Deficit. Deficit. The country is struggling to reduce its budget deficit.
Surplus. Surplus. The government has a surplus in its budget this year.
Budget. Budget. We need to prepare a budget for the next fiscal year.
Tax. Tax. The government plans to increase taxes on luxury goods.
Export. Export. Japan is a major exporter of automobiles.
Import. Import. The country imports a large quantity of oil.
Gross domestic product. Gross domestic product. The GDP of the country grew by 3% last year.
Stock. Stock. Investing in stocks can be risky but profitable.
Bond. Bond. Government bonds are considered low-risk investments.
Asset. Asset. Real estate is a valuable asset for many investors.
Liability. Liability. The company's liabilities exceeded its assets.
Entrepreneur. Entrepreneur. The entrepreneur launched a new tech startup last year.
Corporation. Corporation. The multinational corporation operates in over 50 countries.
Merger. Merger. The merger between the two companies created a market leader.
Acquisition. Acquisition. The company's latest acquisition expands its product line.
Competition. Competition. Intense competition forces companies to innovate constantly.
Monopoly. Monopoly. The company holds a monopoly in the local market.
Deregulation. Deregulation. Deregulation of the industry has led to increased competition.
Innovation. Innovation. Technological innovation drives economic growth.
Productivity. Productivity. Improving productivity is essential for business success.
Recession. Recession. Many companies went bankrupt during the last recession.
Growth. Growth. Economic growth has slowed down in recent years.
Sustainability. Sustainability. Sustainability practices are becoming increasingly important for businesses.
Franchise. Franchise. Owning a franchise allows entrepreneurs to use established brand names.
Logistics. Logistics. Efficient logistics are crucial for timely delivery of products.
Margin. Margin. The company aims to increase its profit margin by reducing costs.
Portfolio. Portfolio. Diversifying your investment portfolio can reduce risk.
Equity. Equity. Investors are seeking equity in emerging markets.
Fiscal. Fiscal. Fiscal policies are used to influence the economy.
Monetary. Monetary. Monetary policies are implemented by the central bank to control inflation.
Tariff. Tariff. The government imposed tariffs on imported goods to protect domestic industries.
Quota. Quota. There is a quota on the number of cars that can be imported each year.
Outsourcing. Outsourcing. Many companies use outsourcing to reduce operational costs.
Stakeholder. Stakeholder. Stakeholders are essential for the successful implementation of the project.
Return on investment. Return on investment. Investors are looking for high ROI opportunities.
Liquidity. Liquidity. Liquidity is crucial for a company's ability to meet short-term obligations.
Diversification. Diversification. Diversification of investments helps in risk management.
Branding. Branding. Effective branding can significantly increase a company's market presence.
Venture capital. Venture capital. Startups often seek venture capital to fund their growth.